All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. We are back at it at a brand new community here. And I'm actually very excited. Couple things. We got a brand new gimbal. We got the new GoPro 10 Black. And we got this media mod, so we're gonna test it out today because we've been having problems with our camera gear. So today I'm here in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley. And this builder right here is actually Signature Builders, right? And the name of this community right here, this is actually a Bluemont. They actually have four plans to choose from, and they go all the way up to 2,600 square feet. So in this community, there's only 2 models. However, another thing I want to talk about, they have a total of about 40 lots. They only have about 5 lots left. However, here's the thing, the good news is that they are building right down the road from here. So if you guys are interested, right, we talked about getting in on the first phase, so you're gonna have every single opportunity. And I also want to give a quick shout out to the sales team here. They reached out to me yesterday and they asked, hey, can you come by to do some video tours? So guys, if you guys come out here, let them know that you've seen this video and you want to get in on the new community. Now, this is the first time working with these builders. They've been around apparently for 40 years. It's not your big national company, but like I said, they've been around for some time. So I'm actually excited about this. I want to see, you know, their quality work and what they have here. So this just kind of give you a general idea before I start from the beginning, and we'll walk through it together. This is actually the Joshua model. Now, the Joshua model here is 2,170 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Obviously, we have a large living space that's contemporary with floor plan, 2-car garage. The base price on here is $502,990. Okay. Now, I see some of the stuff that they were actually selling with the exact same floor plan here, and they roughly go around like $590. So you can literally spend about, you know, $70,000 to $80,000 with all the bells and the whistles. So let's get right into it. I'm gonna start back from the beginning. Let's take a look. We're gonna really dive deep and we're gonna see exactly what's going on with this build. Now, this build for me, on the outside, it feels like a KB Homes mesh with Century Homes, okay? So the flooring here, we do have some tile flooring, beautiful baseboards. I'm sure that is an upgrade there. We got orange peel texture, straight edge on the cornering. I'm not too sure with this builder if we have that option. I think they do. Typically with these type of builders, you have orange peel, skip trawl, the Santa Fe texture, okay? Not bad of a living room. Now, the benefits here is that other builders will charge you for a 9-foot ceiling. On this one, it comes standard on the 9, so I do like that. The cabinets that you see here, you don't get these type of cabinets because these are the thermofoil cabinets here, full overlays, but you do get the white modern shaker cabinets. In addition to that, you get quartz countertops, which is great. So it looks like we have 2 6-foot slides. I'm gonna take you guys out to the back here, see what's going on. Now, this video may be a little bit longer than usual, but bear with me. All right, so we got some synthetic grass here. The backyard is a pretty decent backyard. Now remember, you guys are definitely gonna have to do some landscaping too as well. And right now, I'm in a collaboration with a company out here in Las Vegas to partner up. Hopefully we'll put some sort of deal together as far as a landscaping company. So if that deal goes through, then yeah, work out. So we'll see how that goes. So we got this cover aluminum patio. Remember, these things run with the concrete here, roughly about $15 a square foot, which is not bad whatsoever. So we got the concrete stucco here, 1-foot eaves, not bad. Let's take a look at their product, the windows. So, I mean, I can just tell you right now, for attention to detail, this is, I'm pretty happy as far as the quality control work here. Remember, the motto is the representation of the build that you're gonna get. We got a gas line here. Also, let me know how your thoughts are with this media mod as far as the auto or the audio. Not too sure why that trash can is there. Very strange. You got the nice featured wall. Looks like you could do some distribute sounds. This is just your standard recessed lighting. You got this nice quartz countertop. So this is probably a 4x12 here. I love these thermofoil cabinets. However, with these cabinets, you gotta clean them a certain way. You can't really use any type of product. Typically, it's a microfiber towel and just regular dish soap. But make sure to check the manufacturer standards, the specs on it. They'll tell you exactly what to use. And I believe this is the 1/2 horsepower on here on the garbage disposal, which is great. You got your undermounted sink. This should be a touch. Okay, now I believe one of the options that you get is the touch Moen faucet. 42 upper cabinets with a beautiful crown, which is not bad. Looks like you get some GE appliances. Remember, you're always going to scan this once you close out on the deal. So that way you can already start the registration. So in this one we have a quartz backsplash. You have seams here on both sides. Standard stove. Now they are giving out some sort of incentives. From what I was told, it's 10 grand. Also right now, you know, obviously that could change, but also just keep in mind, you can definitely negotiate right now with these builders. And like I said, if you guys are interested, just make sure to drop my name, because, you know, I'm gonna hook you up. So here's the half bath for your guests. However, typically there's a pedestal sink here, so that's probably what you'll end up getting. So we talked about this in the past with these black hinges. If you do the upgrade, a lot of times the painters will paint over this. Just make sure to come back during your walk to check if this is actually clean. This is a solid core door, so these doors are very expensive. They are not cheap, especially on the 8-foot doors here. Let's take a look at your pantry. Definitely like the pantry size here. And this gimbal moves pretty fast. You got to get like used to it. All right, I guarantee this banister is not included right here. This is definitely a upgrade. But it looks like we have a little loft up there. So let's go upstairs. Let's see what we have here. Interesting. All right. We got 48 inches wide on the staircase here. You have the nice little loft. This is not bad for a home. 2,100 square feet for the price. Love this little loft area. It's almost like an extension to the primary, which is kind of cool. We'll start off on this side here. Ceilings here on 9 foot as well on the second floor. The cabinets are a little bit lower. However, definitely you have the option to the upgrades and also the sink as well. You have this nice solid countertops, but these are only a 1/2 inch on here, but it's not a big deal. I feel like this home is more designed for a starter family. See what they're using for the tub here. This is not an aqua. I gotta make some settings on this camera too as well. What's nice about this camera on the back, it allows me to change the settings. So as far as if I go into a darker room or something, I'm able to change the ISO. This room looks to be 11 by 12. I mean, that's a pretty decent size. Alright, let's put up this helmet. Helmet's stuck, guys. Messing around. Trying to have some fun. It's kind of cool, though. Alright, let's get back to work. So this room is pretty much the same size. It looks like you have pre-wire ceiling fan right here, another one right here. Remember, this community is pretty much already sold out. Let me just show you this community real quick here. They only got 5 more lots left. However, these models will not be sold because I believe they are actually purchasing another lot right down the road. So if you guys are actually interested in buying in today's market, let me know, because I'm a pretty good negotiator. I can get you some pretty good incentives and negotiate lot premiums. Matter of fact, I'm going to just tell you a quick story. So we recently got a client that was in contract. So before we went into contract, I got word from VP of Sales and said, hey Chuck, before you submit this offer, I know they're going to reduce the price. So I waited, right? The only benefits of that is because the relationships that we were able to build through this channel, right? Because that's what it's all about, relationship building. Now from there, we got a lower price. We saved about $20,000. We got another $10,000 as far as incentives. We got the lot premium waived. So we got a hell of a deal. Now check this out. You guys already know what's going on with home sales here across the valley, right? This thing is dropping like a rock. I got an email from my client, said, hey Chuck, man, I just checked the base price. They dropped $30,000. Is there anything I can do? I said, wait, hold up. This is what we're going to do. So I helped. I prepared and prepped my client with a proper email. There's a certain way that you have to go about this. And guess what? We're getting an addendum for a price reduction for like another like $30,000. Client's so happy. I look like a superstar. Now, keep in mind, the contract does state that once you buy the home at this price, you're under contract. But it's, again, it's how you communicate. It's how do you use a verbal, right, with authority, right? And you got to talk to the right people. You got to send an email to the right people in order for you to get that price reduction. So, believe it or not, you can get price reductions while you're already under contract on a home. Now, funny story is that I'm not going to mention who this builder is, but I literally got a price reduction about $180,000. Yeah, you're probably saying, yeah, right. No, I did. It's crazy. You just got to play this game. It doesn't mean it works all the time. But again, it's verbal communication through email, right? Well, I don't want to say verbal because it's really not verbal, but you got to know how to communicate with these builders. You got to play the game. You got to know what to say, when to say it, who to say it to. Oh, we didn't go in here. Oh, I love the fact that they got a drain pan. There's one builder out here that does not have a drain pan, which kills the hell out of me. They're a pretty good builder. Upper cabinets. Ooh. You know, I think I'm going to just start shooting at 4K from here on out. I don't know, let me know, guys. Not bad. Oh, it looks like your attic access is right here. Cool. I mean, that's pretty much it for this video home tour. I'm going to come back down here. I'm going to let you guys know what the HOA fees are. Because I think the HOA fees here are like 60 something dollars, but let me just double check because I could be wrong. I don't want to be making this stuff up. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to the channel, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to visit lvhomeexperts.com. It's definitely a great website to get started on your home search. We have access to all the properties on the market. Also, within the description, we have a website that we created for all new homes. That's right. So it's your one home source. Did I say source? Source. That's right. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Oh, HOAs are $65 a month. Forgot to mention that. Go ahead and click that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up as well. Let us know what your thoughts are about this property. Be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.